Hello, intermediate algebra students. Here's a few examples that I hope will help you as you complete your Chapter 3 review. Example A says complete these ordered pairs for the following equation. So I'm giving you, in this case, the x value and asking you what is y. So in your equation, you're going to replace x with -1. So that gives you 2 times -1 minus 5y equals 8, and we're going to solve this. So do the multiplication. 2 times -1 is -2, minus 5y equals 8. We want to solve this for y, so add 2 to both sides, leaving you with -5y equals 10. Divide by -5, and y appears to be -2. So to complete my ordered pair, when x is -1, y is -2. In the second ordered pair, you're given the y coordinate and asked to find x. So back in your equation, you're replacing y with 3. So let's do that. So 2x minus 5y, remember y is 3, equals 8. So I'm going to do that multiplication. So -5 times 3 is -15. Didn't want to write that very well. So I'm going to add 15 to both sides. And it looks like 2x equals 23. Divide by 2, and x comes out to be 23 halves. I'm just going to leave that as an improper fraction. It's fine that it's a fraction. And I would squeeze that right in here. I don't have a lot of room. So an x is 23 over 2. Y is 3. Okay. Next, I'm going to go through finding the x and y intercepts of a line. So I'm asking you to find x and y intercepts and then graph the line. So here's my equation. To find the x-intercept, I hope you remember, you're going to replace 0 in for y. You're plug in 0 for y. This could be something for your note card as well. So in your equation, where there was a y, you're replacing it with 0 and solving for x. 0 times, oops, sorry, lost my screen. There we go. Sorry about that. So 0 times 2 is 0. So I'm left with 3x equals -4. Divide by 3, and x equals -4 thirds. Again, it's fine that it is a fraction. So my x-intercept as a point is -4 thirds, comma 0. To find the y-intercept, we're going to plug in 0 for x into the equation. So that would give us 3 times 0 plus 2y equals -4. 3 times 0 is 0, so we're left with 2y equals -4. Divide by 2, and y equals -2. So that means my y-intercept, which would have an x-coordinate of 0, is 0, -2. So I'm going to take each of my intercepts, plot them. So the -4 thirds, 0. So think about what -4 thirds is. It's -1 1/3. So when I go to plot that, I'm going to go to the left, -1 and a little bit more, 1/3. I'm going to put a point right there if it'll let me. See if I can make this bigger. So -1 1/3 actually be right about there. And my y-intercept was 0, -2. So I plot that on the y-axis. And there are my 2 points. And then I would draw in a nice straight line. Not bad. And that's using my x and y intercepts to find the graph of the line. So I hope this helps you with numbers, specifically 1 through 8 on your Chapter 3 review.